question reads, Kapil started playing cricket at 13:40 hours and played for 40 minutes. He then started doing his holiday homework. He completed the homework at 4:35 p.m. How long did Kapil take to complete his holiday homework? So here, my dear little friends, for such type of question, you should be able to draw the timeline. By timeline, I mean you have to convert the statements of the question into understandable flow. So here you see Kapil started playing cricket at 13:40 hours. See, write down 13:40 hours and played for 40 minutes. So if he played for 40 minutes, so at what time he completed his play? From 13:40 plus 20 minutes will give you 14:00 hours, and further 20 minutes from there is 14:20 hours. So it's 20 plus 20 is 40 minutes. So from 13:40 to 14:20 it's 40 minutes. So Kapil completed playing cricket at 14:20 hours, and then it is said he then started doing his holiday homework. He completed the holiday homework at 4:35 p.m. So my dear little friends, you should be able to convert this 4:35 p.m. to 24 hours format. So what is 4:35 p.m. in 24 hours format? I have already told you, you add 12 to the hours, so it will give you 16. So why you add 12? Because it's PM. If it would have been AM, then you need not to add. Let me tell you over here, 4:35 AM is simply 4:35 hours. It's 4:35 in the early morning, and 4:35 PM means 16:45 hours. It's in the evening, so it's 16:35 hours. So we can say that Kapil completed his homework at 16:35 hours. 16:35 hours. So we need to find out this particular duration. So now let us calculate. Now from 14:20 to 15:20 or 3:20 p.m. it's 1 hour, and from 15:20 to 16:20 is another 1 hour, and from 16:20 to 16:35 is, you can calculate a little bit, 35 minus 20 is 15. So this duration is 15 minutes. So the total duration will be equal to 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 15 minutes. So we can write down the time for which the Kapil took to complete his holiday homework is 1 plus 1 is 2 hours. 2 hours 15 minutes. So the answer to the question is option A, that is 2 hours 15 minutes. So my dear little friends, you see that for such question you should be able to understand the expression of time in various formats, typically in 12-hour format like this and in 24 hours format. And then you should be able to express the statement in a particular flow, in an understandable flow, which will help you to solve the question. Practice will make you perfect. So keep practicing with Decode Monk.